The supplies for this first DIY are super minimal. All you need is a canvas, some flowers or leaves, and parchment paper. So I gathered these from outside, literally went around, picked flowers, leaves, petals, whatever I thought was interesting outdoors, and all you have to do is press them. And how you do this is you lay down a piece of parchment or wax paper, and you lay down your florals or like botanical pieces that you found, another piece of parchment paper on top, and just layer some heavy books on top of it. And I actually kept this pressed for about 4 days under this stack of books you see right here, and once they were all completely pressed, they looked like this, and this is how they're going to look, and they're actually going to retain the shape and color, which is extremely nice. You basically pressed all of the life out of them, and this is what they look like now. So I layered them on my canvas, found out where I wanted to place them, and just sort of maneuvered it around for a while and found out I love this variation here, glued them down with hot glue, and you are done with your super inexpensive canvas.